Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Shweta, and on this channel we talk about all things wearable fashion that actually works in real life. So today I am back with another Myntra haul, and it's all about embroidered kurta sets. Elegant and versatile pieces that really works in everyday life. These are all everyday ethnic looks that works not only for office wear, but if there is small family get together at home or you have some casual meetups, these pieces will work. And as always, I will be sharing honest feedback about fabric quality, fit, design detailing, and how it actually works in our Indian weather. For reference, I am 5 feet 3 inches and I usually wear large size. So if you are looking to upgrade your ethnic wardrobe or just looking for easy graceful pieces, please make sure you watch this video till end. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into look number 1. Okay, so starting today's haul with this gorgeous piece from Color Kosh. So it is in this beautiful brown shade, and it is not a dull brown. It is nice, warm, grown up brown, which feels put together the moment you wear it. It is made in silk blend fabric, but trust me, it is not shouting with sheen. It is really soft and graceful, really nice flow to it. It doesn't feel stiff at all. It has nice chikankari embroidery all over it, which is really delicate, and it is done in same color, so it doesn't shout at you. You can feel it, you can see it when you come closer. Now, if you see the design, it has nice embroidered yoke design, and there is embroidery along the slits, and there are buttas all over. So it is not too much, very subtle. For the fit, it is comfortable. I am wearing my usual large size, but for chikankari kurtas, I prefer a size up because you can see little gathers here around the armhole. I don't like that. If you are like me, you can take a size up. Design is classic chikankari style with a round neck and notch, classic 3/4 sleeves. Comes with nice comfortable palazzos, which also has embroidery at the hemline. So all in all, it feels really coordinated and gorgeous. Styling as usual, minimal, which is complementing the kurta and not overpowering it. So these gold earrings, matching bracelet, for the footwear clear heels, and nice beautiful look is ready. If I am wearing this to office, I'll pair it with my Van Heusen tote bag, and that's it. This one doesn't try to impress. It works quietly. Honestly, this is a kind of outfit I end up wearing the most. Okay, so this one has completely different energy. It is white short kurta and salwar set made in pure cotton fabric. So my brain is already going summer, easy, breathable. The first thing that stands out in it is this light blue color threadwork detailing. It is really soft, very calm, nothing too sharp, nothing heavy. There are small buttas all over, and then there is this floral embroidery at the hemline, which finishes the kurta beautifully without making it too busy. It has V neckline and sleeveless design. Honestly, that's what makes it feel fresh. This lace detailing around the neckline is really subtle, but it is doing more than what you realize. The Parsi salwar is big win here. It instantly makes it feel relaxed and lived in. Super comfortable, no stiffness, no effort required. And you know what I love most in this kurta design? Look at these pleats. These are gently opening up below the shoulder and giving this perfect fit. I styled this look with my favorite pearl earrings, nice chunky silver bracelet. For the footwear, my Must Harbor heels, and I finished the look with my gas structured bag. Anything more structured than that would have fought with the vibe of this outfit. This is not a standout piece. This is more about feel good, wear it all day kind of a set. And sometimes that matters most. I am back with fully embroidered kurta set, but this one is different from the first one. This pink color immediately changes the mood. It is soft, not loud, and it is made in 100% cotton fabric, so fall of this dress is different and it is totally summer appropriate. The neckline is round with a notch, 3/4 sleeves, very classic familiar territory. But what makes this outfit is this front panel embroidery. Again, it is chikankari style embroidery, so it feels light and airy. And because it is done in same color, it doesn't overpower it. It flows with the outfit. It has straight cut, which gives it clean, classic silhouette. Comes with straight palazzos, which are super comfortable because they have fully elasticated waistband with a drawstring closure. And yes, palazzos has 2 pockets also, which is always a win for me. Now on the palazzos, there is a delicate embroidery given on the hemline and there are 2 buttas on the hem. So it ties in the whole look together beautifully. Now I styled this dress with my favorite accessories in gold color. These earrings, matching bracelet. For the footwear, my go-to must harbor heels, and again if I am wearing this dress to office, I'll pair it with my Van Heusen tote bag and you can see the complete look. This one feels easy, breathable and sorted. Nothing dramatic, just quietly works for summer. Okay, moving on to something really classic. This cotton blend set is in blue color, and honestly, the color itself telling you what kind of piece is this. It is not trying to be seasonal, it is not chasing trends. This one is embroidered again, but very controlled. You can see nice thread work along the button placket, and same continues on sleeve edges also. It is just enough to keep it from feeling flat. It's Mandarin collar design and 3/4 sleeves which has slight flare to it keep it structured. Nothing dramatic, just simple classic piece. Set comes with matching palazzos which is fully elasticated, so super comfortable to wear, and 2 pockets makes it super practical too. This is a simple kurta set and I mean it in a good way. The silhouette is easy, design is very familiar, and the navy blue color makes it dependable. This is a kind of outfit you can wear to office and don't think again. You can wear it this year, next year, even 5 years later, and it will not feel dated because there is nothing trendy here. I styled it in a same classic style with my pearl earrings, a small silver bracelet. For the footwear, my clear heels, and I finished the look with my Van Heusen tote bag. This one isn't exciting, but it's reliable, and every wardrobe needs few pieces like this. Okay, back to short kurta territory again, but this one is totally different in presence. It is a black Pathani style kurta and palazzo set, and it is made in viscose rayon fabric, so it is super soft and flowy, no stiffness at all. At first glance, it looks really clean. Plain actually. Simple black kurta with shirt collar, classic 3/4 sleeves, Pathani style shape, and contrast buttons at the front. Nothing too loud, very simple, classic. There is contrast white lace detailing at the hemline, which is quietly doing its job. But then you notice sleeves. That's where everything is happening. Look at this gorgeous multicolored embroidery on the sleeves, followed by the same color embroidered border. It completely changes the whole mood of the outfit. It is interesting that how restrained this kurta is. and sleeves are super expressive. But this balance is working nicely. Now this set comes with super comfortable fully elasticated palazzos. There is white lace trim detailing on the trousers hemline too, and it is there on armholes also. So it is quietly tying the whole look together. To match with this white lace, I paired this set with my favorite pearl earrings, chunky silver bracelet, and for the footwear, my Carlton London black heels. And you can see the effortless, beautiful look is ready. For that pop of color, I added my Leno Paris bag. This one feels sharp, comfortable, and intentional. It's not decorative, just wrong. Back to classic set again, and yes, it's white, but it feels very settled. It is made in pure cotton fabric, so it is very comfortable, very summer friendly, and it is fully lined, so no see-through stress. And honestly, it matters more than people actually admit. Design is very familiar. Small V neckline, 3/4 sleeves. It has A-line silhouette, which makes it super flattering. And then there is this embroidery in this gorgeous red, blue and green color. It is pretty but not overwhelming. You notice it, but it doesn't dominate the kurta. Same embroidery continues on sleeves also. So it balances the outfit. Nothing is random here. And then look at these pleats. It adds softness and movement to the look. It gives it gentle flair and not structure. Set comes with super comfortable trousers in same color, very comfortable and cohesive. Now I styled this gorgeous piece again with my favorite pearl earrings. They are really light and goes with almost everything. Small silver bracelet, again this is very lightweight and I bought it from Amazon for just 250 rupees. And I am wearing it daily. For the footwear, my clear heels, and for that little pop of color, I added my Leno Paris red bag, and you can see the complete look. This one feels calm, easy and wearable. It is not trying to stand out. It is quietly doing its job really well. So yeah, that was the haul. 6 different pieces with 6 different moods. Nothing fancy here. All are easy wearable pieces which you will actually wear in real life. So, which one was your vibe? Tell me in the comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you soon with another styling story. Bye!